Okay, hi. So today we're going to be doing the SSA triangle, solving them on the TI-84 calculator. So first I have this code that I've written out. There's a lot of it, so buckle in and we're going to go through it step by step on the calculator. So you start by, let's just zoom in a little bit, start by clearing home, and then you're going to input what you do know. So the one given angle, and then your two given sides. And now we're going to solve here for the height of the triangle. And now once we know the height, we can figure out more about the triangle. So if the two lengths of the triangle are smaller than the height, then there are two triangles, so we're going to display two triangles. If that's not the case, and if the leg A is either greater than or equal to the size of leg B, or the length of leg B, then you have one triangle. If A is exactly equal to the height, then you're going to have one right triangle, so just a specific case of the last sort of triangle. And if none of those things are true, then you will have no triangle. So this is all going to be if, then, and else statements, and then once you've gotten to the end, have these four possible outcomes, you're going to hit end. And you're going to do that twice, or else it doesn't run properly. So now we're going to make a menu, and so the title of the menu will be solve, and then we have all the different possibilities. So one triangle, two triangles, one right triangle, and no triangles. Now for the first one, label 1, you're going to start with law of sines here, and use that to find your the next angle in the triangle. And then once you have two angles, you can find the third angle. And then you're going to use law of sine again to find the final side of the triangle. So now you display all of that, pause, display the sides, pause, and now we're going to find the area. So we're going to BC and then sine of D and find the area, which will then display. And then next we're going to go to 3 and then label 2, so the next option in the menu. We're going to go through basically the same steps we did last time. You go with law of sines, and then once you have that next on the previously unknown angle, you can find the third angle, and then once you have found the third angle, you can find the remaining side. Now to find the area of the triangle, we're going to use 1/2 base times height because that's the easiest formula, and we know both of those things. Now once again, we're going to find our remaining angles. We're going to use just subtracting known angles from 180, and then we get left with our final angle. We use law of sines again, and this is for the second outcome of the menu. So you're going to come up with, again, 0.5 base times height, 1/2 base times height, for the area. So now we have triangle 1, you display everything about that we just solved for, and then the area, and now you're going to display the second set of things that we just solved for, and just go through display angle A, angle B, angle C, and side A, side B, side C, so, and then the area again. And then lastly, all we have is the outcome where there is no triangle, and so in that case it'll just return you to the menu options. So we're going to try and run that now. Okay, so now we're going to run the program, and fingers crossed that it works. So let's see how many of these I did because I messed up that many times. Now what we're going to do is let's start with just angle 30, I don't know, side B will do 1, A 2, just make it nice and simple. It's one triangle. now it's given us our 2 remaining angles, and our 1 remaining side here, and our area. So there we go, works out. Thanks for watching, hope it was educational. Great.